Batty boy. Yeah, chat. Welcome to a brand new vlog. One Juggle Balls TV. Yeah, chat. Out there on Ramsey birthday. And we have a surprise for him right in here, so. Like up this video, man. See it? Walking business again. See it?
For once in a blue moon. Until the next 3 years.
Oh God, them I can take a girl, bro. Me I tell you, them I can take a girl, bro.
Oh yeah, no. Yo, take my...
Hi guys, welcome back to the Human Tube.
Pussy the for yo, brother. Pussy the for yo, brother.
Welcome to a brand new vlog. One Juggle Balls TV. Yeah, chat. Out there on Ramsey birthday. And we have a surprise for him right in here, so. Oh yeah, no. Yo, check my... Ramsey's gonna be white when he's coming out. Papa, a flower, we are about it. Boy, camera quality clean in a dog.
Oh, bunch of sorry, I can't video without consent. Wouldn't you like to be in the vlog? Okay. So, Willan, I am to my consent. I asked the both of you. No, yes. I turn and face to the both of you. No. So that is Murdoch. This is Sarah. The fairy.
No, wrong name.
That is Jordan with a twist here. And that is my favorite cousin, Petal. Whatever the fuck you put in your hair, bro. Whatever the fuck you put in your hair, bro. For the vlog, the name, anything, pet name, real name, government name, we don't give a fuck. The name.
Yeah, man.
Bumbleclaw, that is, oh God. The fuck, this is Demi. God.
One God, funny.
One God. Over there, we got the birthday boy. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, yeah, my friend.
Birthday to you. Crazy. Can't mean myself. Feel like me and I frame. I feel like me and I frame. On the way to the beach. Bro, they need somebody else to catch a different angle them there. Me can't catch you one angle there. Are you recording? Are you guys recording? Both for them do it.
Yes, you're brave, dad. You're brave like
Go for vlog, dog.
Yo, like up the fucking vlog, indeed.
Mad. One is a feature. I don't know, why you afraid for vlogging a public channel?
One Juggle Balls.
Believe. Oh gosh, man. Oh gosh, so we just there and we just scope out the place, guys. I want something to drink out of the hot. Thank God.
Yo.
I don't know, I can't flip my camera. I don't know why my camera can't flip. Oh, I don't know.
And them boy afraid now. Them boy afraid of the camera. I don't know why.
But you can't want me vlog and take out your phone now.
Chat. Give me a Galaxy right now. I'm screaming at the place. Billy.
I'm watching you. Come on, dog.
Chat.
Confusion.
So what the back and forth, sir? You don't see him? Don't see him. One line I was screaming on that face rape right now. One line right now I'm screaming on that face.
Oh gosh, man, then drop a lion, bro.
Chop a lion, chat.
Then drop a lion.
Oh yeah. How many do again? And you want bet?
Then drop a lion and I chop me take off my shirt and run naked in here. So guys,
how many scream out again?
Guys, this fire, bro. Like Viva Water sponsor me, bro. Sponsor me, guys. I drink like 6 of them a day. This also the shit, like
Yeah,
literally
yeah,
the
that
shit,
part,
like they
that
got
part.
tiling. Literally
Nah,
the
like,
shit.
it's a read. Read through me that one there, you bad man. I read through me. Something there too. One time, here so long?
Play fucking sword fight.
No, they gotta be.
I'm not joking. That
Ah, come with me.
Oh, we have buy one that big juice.
Guys, listen to this.
Listen about this. Listen about
Guys,
this.
listen to this.
Yeah, but tell me if you
They might make a cocky trunk for you, girl.
Them wanna tell shit. This. No, that one.
Yeah, more can go jack that, but another one you more. That one another hit dog, isn't it? You see me?
Do something like
Like up his video, man. See it? Working business again. See it?
For once in a blue moon. Until the next 3 years.
Oh gosh, them I can take a girl, bro. Me I tell you, them I can take a girl, bro.
Chad water.
It is flavored water, but it's like water, but you have
Yeah.
a taste I act like fruit.
Chad water.
That sponsor me. No, why?
Sponsor.
Why? Dad, circle black. Circle black, Dad. Big up yourself.
I really feel like I'm just like.
That's it.
Then you start drinking.
There's no limit for you and I. So please don't leave me, don't you cry. Yeah, chat, so we reach on the beach now. Queen, yeah. Boy, Ramsey they up there and the rest of them are chain dog, is it?
Ramsey, come here.
I said this skin set me see 50.
What do you think about the boy?
Suppose me was an artist. Suppose me collect people garbage. And I could've done no better than farming. Suppose me never have them millions of. Suppose me was a regular.
Come up, girl. Brother, the man is so pussy, and the man is
That can kick you in a fork here, my father.
Brother, the man is so pussy, and the man is take come sleep.
Where the Jordan? Where the?
Jordan, since you did.
Yo, you're a big man, brother. Well and fast.
Bro, I'm a diesel, yo. I'm a so diesel man and take from me, but
Yo, you're mad man.
No, no, in
Yo, pass back a case, at least. That's him. I'm boy, me know, brother. We got a club.
Yo,
Boy,
pass
me know
back
we got
a
a club,
case,
brother.
at least,
And one ship club. And the guy that go chop him on a 79 face. You see next day? He go, Sean, get them pussy, man. How long, nigga? Man said, get them pussy. Me don't like great taste. Mr. Sean, get them pussy, man. No, me don't like great taste. Get them pussy.
You know that no it is.
Exactly.
So far, we have a fever in this, you me? We throw some of this in there. We are chase liquor with liquor. Pussy hole. We are chase liquor. Bill. We are chase liquor. We are chase liquor with liquor.
Crazy.
As you can tell, Cooley is in my jeans, you know.
And listen to your song we have played too. Your
Bro,
song.
man, yes, man. We are chase liquor.
Alright, so we are gonna show everything where dog a mix the liquor with Zane. He mix it with the nice calico jack,
Yeah.
the rum punch one, you see me? He mix it with this, whatever the fuck this is. Then him decide to put this in it.
Yeah.
So if you don't see my life for the next
No,
year,
that's see full power.
he alright.
Fever.
But then he decide to put the 40% cartel in it.
Yeah.
You see me?
Oh,
So
yeah,
right now,
3/4 liquor fever.
him dead.
We don't say chug. Me and you chug, you know.
Chug it, chug it.
Just when I say chug, did I hear chug?
Alright, so here what? Here is only one alcoholic in the group.
Card.
I see him. Then
One
Body
murder.
pass me.
alright,
Yeah,
here
but-
what?
Jordan a custom.
Yo, drink a thon,
Drink
right?
a thon, right?
Bad man them here.
Me just chug everything, yes, sir.
More.
No. You must beat me first.
No. Crazy. I want to Ramsey. One queen. Active.
You're a fucking.
Hey, you're top out.
No chaser. No bomber clutch.
Yo, him on them full.
Hey. The way how we not drink chaser, my gang not drink chaser. The thing they're full, empty. Don't tap out.
Jordan, but
Yo, that mum see me chugging everything right there. Only even no badness, brother, yo.
alright. Zane, him drunk no fuck. So when you take him no idea.
What's it?
Him just drunk no fuck. And you see every time them play this kung fu fighting, one of them fuck up their foot. That's one of them job. Every time them do this kung fu fighting shit, one of them always.
Yo, him on them fool. You can't catch money?
Wanna help me, son? Wanna help me, son?
The rum do it. One. The two fish then come back, child. Junkers. And for your knees, and for your wine.
Me nah trust fall.
Turn it up. Straight to you.
If you hurt me, who hurt you? What goes around, come around, I saw the world go. I'm in the
Radio show chat.
We don't work much. I feel trapped, I'm stuck in a circle. My heart cold up, I'm certain. If you walk through a fire, I'm gonna burn up. My thoughts raging, nothing to change, bro.
Yo, don't pan the foot and come up.
The mafia dog, I'm in the world. That's why from my heart, I wear my whole back. If I'm a black by myself, I don't
4 o'clock.
And if a nigga run up,
Then I'll be
a
a
shot. My drink come up pain, I want more shot. And all the pain when I feel I hit it cold back. I'm a fucked up, you can't change that. And now my tears for the place, and the rain drop. Yeah, my last dog, I'm going out. The stick to myself, it's a from the season. If I no money, now see me, I am eating. Now switch on the gang, that's a treason. Drop it, this and make you all scheme, no one say. Lifestyle that change, I'm leaving it up. Client on the line, I'm ringing it up. Work hard every day, with the riches for done. I'm rather take your cash, oh, give me no gun. Like tracks and fields, so the riches are run. Me done win the game, me play quick and me know my heart is freezing cold. My heart in a pieces, though. Me never tell you say my weak, me no need strength. I'ma live life while on the weekend. Book a villa, I'm there with some real friends. Now I talk some about this and from the season. Never do my best.
That's why me ex bummy do me left a market in chest. Sleepless nights, we a take still 5 and I talk all the future. I know it a go burn, but I like to get deep now. A dark place where my heart away live. Wish me coulda rewrite my past with a pen now. But still give you expensive things. Mad. Ending our vlog shot. About to go home. Like, share, subscribe. Like, share, comment and subscribe. Chat, is it? One round today. The birthday boy chat, is it? On the comment happy birthday, not only Fat Ramsey. Is it?
So chat, we are here with Cashman Machim Gone. Chat, we are here with Demi. One platinum got Demi. You have Sarah right there on the ground. Those niggas out there in the sea. So yeah, guys.
Yo, Murdoch.
Sure, why not?
Holding a code.
I didn't take any pictures.
Guys, it was a beach day and the beach day
It
was
was
worth
good.
it. Russia,
It
talk
was
to them.
good.
Talk to them.
It was good. We went tubing.
Guys,
But we're not gonna clip side you.
guys, we outside. Remember, live a life.
Outside, I get them outside. Remember that?
Live a life you won't regret. Only thing you regret is not taking chances.
Out. One Juggle Boss TV.
You know we outside, bro, and all I said was that you regret not taking chances. And to all of the girls in my heart, fuck you!
Going home
Guys,
was a WBC day.
Rachel's short, guys. Like, look at Rachel. Rachel is like half my height, bro.
I know half, but like.
Tony, we have to say Tony. You enjoy your birthday, bro?
Did you enjoy your
You
day?
enjoy your day, bro?
6 is real.
It's real.
Knock it on a 6, alright?
Knock it on a 6.
Right now.
Bop! Brawly, knock it on a 6. I want to know my night time.
Fully course.
Oh, dead ups.
Shout into it, black bro. Big up one channel. See it. Oh, look at that.
You're insecure about it?
See the chat. And have a video, so. Official, you got KFC that after 9 and I think. But yeah, like, share, comment and subscribe, dog. Once in a lifetime thing, as a part of a post video, dog. All days done and thing, yeah.
One Juggle Boss.
One Juggle Boss.
Never
Believe.
two or
Oh
three.
gosh, man.
Remember.
Oh gosh, so.